Hi everyone and welcome to another episode of Power BI series. Now that we are done in building, importing, cleaning and transforming our data, we came out with some meaningful insights by building a report that reflects information about data in BI Desktop. Now it's time to deploy them so that users can take advantage of all our hard work. And to do that, we need to create a workspace in Power BI service, which is an online service that is accessed through the browser. A workspace here is a centralized repository in which you can collaborate with colleagues and teams to create collections of reports and dashboards. So back in our Power BI desktop, we can see here that our reports look a little bit different. That is because I had to do some little modifications. If you look down, you have the school report, and then you have another report that I created, the statistics. Here shows us the number of teachers in the school, number of teacher per course, the school population. So we are done with this report. The next thing we have to do is actually to publish this. And as I said earlier, we need to publish it in a workspace. So we are going to create our workspace. So I'll go to my browser. You can see here that I already have my Power BI service that is open. I have already logged in. For you to have this service, you need to pay a subscription. Let's go to the subscription tab. Here you can see the various price and cost of the different services offered by Power BI. You can see the Power BI Pro or the Power BI Premium. So depending on the organization and depending on what they want to achieve, they should be able to purchase any of this. But if you want to play around, you can click on the try for free here. I think they're going to give you like a 90 days or a 30 days trial version for you to test the application. So back to my Power BI service, I'm going to go to Workspace. You can see to the left you have Workspaces here. I already have some Workspaces. I'm going to click on Workspaces, and now they're going to give me the possibility to create a workspace. So I'll just go and click on create a workspace, provide a name. I'll say school info, for example. You can give it a description if you want, and you can decide to upload an image. Let me just upload one. So that's good. So this is all I need. I just need to click save. Okay, now we are done. The next thing you have to do in your workspace is to grant some access. So I'll just go to the access tab here, and now they're going to tell me to provide the address and give privileges to those that are going to access these reports or the dashboards that we are going to be building. So here I can see, for example, I have a user called test. Good, this is it, test. Okay, then what is this user? What is the user going to do in the dashboards or reports we are going to bring to this workspace? Here you can choose between, is he a member, is he a contributor, is he an admin or a viewer? The various roles carry different privileges. So for this user, I'll leave him as a member and then just click add. Once that is done, you will see we have two users here, myself, which I am an administrator, and a test user. Then I'll just click close. So now, for now, we have nothing in our workspace. We're going to go back to Power BI desktop, and then we'll just click publish. So before publishing, you have to make sure you are logged in. So I'm already logged into my account. I'll just go to publish, and now it's going to give me the possibility. I didn't save. Let's say save. It's going to give me the possibility to choose the workspace in which to deploy this my reports, and obviously it's also going to carry along the data. So here you see they show me all of the available workspaces. I'm going to go to school info, the one we just created, and then select. So a few minutes is going to be published. Great. So our report has been published to our workspace. So back into our workspace. Okay guys, now we have brought our data and our report to the Power BI service. The next thing that we are going to do is to create dashboards, and I'll be showing you that in our next tutorial. So thanks for watching and see you next time.